How to install and activate a WordPress plugin. Want to boost your WordPress website with awesome features? Plugins are the key. They are like apps for your site, adding everything from contact forms to e-commerce hub. Let's see how to install and activate them. First things first, go to your WordPress dashboard, and this is how the dashboard look like. If you are new, simply go to www.wordpress.com and log into your account. Trust me, it's very simple. Now navigate to the plugins, which is in the left hand side options. You can see it just below the appearances. Tap on it. That will open up a list of plugins for you. So these are the available plugins. You have to buy most of these plugins. Let's tap on browser. As you can see, you need to upgrade to the business plan to install the plugins. Get a free domain with annual plan. So install is not available to people who don't have an upgraded plan. I will tell you where you will see the install button and how you will install. So these are the available plugins, and here it says premium plugins. Let's search Jetpack for now. So it's already installed. You can see a free installed over here. So if you are using an upgraded plan, you can see install over here. If you simply tap on it, you will be taken to the page where you can install the plugin. However, we don't have an upgraded plan, but I will tell you how you can do it. You tap on the install and installation will begin. Let's search for this one. So this is how it is. This is free, but you have to upgrade to activate it. So the process is, after you tap on install, it will get installed, and you can see an option over here which will turn into activate, and once you tap on it, can activate it easily. So that's a whole idea about how to install and activate a WordPress plugin. With this information, I think it will be easier for you to navigate the whole process. That's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.